Hi, John.
Hi,
How are you doing? I'm in
good to
Amsterdam
see
and
from my home, working at home.
I can see I
Yeah,
miss you here in Amsterdam for our video action, but we thought we should use to show you the opportunity to show you a little bit the surrounding and talk to you about what you miss not being in Amsterdam and some news. So maybe you introduce yourself quickly because I think our customers don't know you from the past. So
good. No problem here. First of all, my name is John. As you see, I'm working at Concept 7. You might have seen me in your booth on previous IBCs, where we were working on some newsroom applications and things like that. If you haven't seen me, well, let's get into contact because it's always good to know new people. What I miss from Amsterdam, not being there, is the vibrant places where you go after the trade show for a nice meal or a good beer. Because the Amsterdam pubs are famous. Actually, in Amsterdam, there is no real Amsterdam pub unless you go a bit outside of the center. And then you have the pubs that are mostly owned by what we call Tante Truus. An old lady that has the pub for 50 years, that has those Persian, you call that the cloth on the tables with the famous bitter balls. I know you like, Yuta.
I do, and
Um,
I already had some.
good. So this is what I miss about Amsterdam. It's alive, but not at this
Yeah.
moment.
Now it's super quiet, and we have been out for dinner yesterday evening. Actually, we have been the only people in the restaurant at 10 o'clock in the evening, which is super, super sad. Yeah,
Yeah,
and we try to have a virtual beer together, which is not allowed on the drinking alcohol on the streets at the moment. So we do have the virtual coffee, which is also fine.
yeah.
And we both actually have some super exciting news because
Yes.
we have been not sleeping the last months and we developed something really exciting together. Maybe you can introduce our baby to the world.
Now, I really think you're too kind to allow me to bring this news. You shouldn't do it. But, well, as you see, my bags under the eyes are a bit swollen because we've been working on completely adding features and developing things. But what's the big secret? We have created the ShareStoryz platform, or as we know it, your story. And now you want to know what it is, huh? Well, you
Exactly.
already know. You already know. Yeah.
I don't know.
But your
I
viewers don't
already,
know.
yeah, and I already installed it on my phone. So
Good.
we are
Good.
talking about an app, right?
It's an app connected to a platform where you can create mobile stories, edit them in the way you like, but maintain your house styles, your logos, your all the credentials that you need, and then share it to every platform. What we've been talking about with Xstream is that there are a lot of apps that help you create a simple story from your film roll or from your camera. But then they only allow you to publish, for instance, on Facebook. The Facebook app allows you to publish on Facebook. The Instagram app allows you to publish on Instagram. So we thought, wouldn't it be great to have a very nice user-centered, so usability-wise optimized app to create your stories, to edit them, and then select any channel you like to publish to. And not only the channel, but also send them to the newsroom, send them to the cloud. Send them to your drive storage to share with other reporters. Or send the files directly to your social media channels and engage with your news directly within minutes. We couldn't find an app that's provided this service without having any connections to a publication platform where they get all the advertising revenues. And you as a broadcaster or you as a content creating company, you want to have that business model for yourself. Or you want to have that story in any way that you can edit it later on, but you already have a pre-edited version that you can publish straight away. So this is what we've been working on. And actually, at this point, it's available. You already have it. If you'd like to have one of the versions to test it, your customers can be allowed to test it. It's not finished because nothing is ever finished, but it's ready to go.
Yeah, so I know it's work in progress, and we will produce some stories during our trip here in Amsterdam as well with the app, and we will highlight them so you can also directly check the result of it. And yeah, the next ones are super excited to get the baby flying. And I think we will officially release the product then during our virtual event in October. So this gives us another 4 weeks to finish everything and have it ready in the App Store. It's Android and iOS, so both systems are supported. That's the word. And yeah, you could then download it and try it yourself. And it's for different kind of users, right? We have the professionals for sure, and also the normal people. How do you call them? Individuals.
Yeah, the individuals.
Yeah.
Because what is the most the part that I'm most enthusiastic about is that if you want others to create content for you, you can easily invite them with this app to contribute to your content. And this is, let that sink in a bit. For instance, you're a chief editor of the house magazine of a company, and you want all your employees to add videos to the intranet or the website. Send out a message, and with the app, they can film, photograph, create collections, and share them to you, pre-edited with your logo and your house style in it, so you don't have any work with that. You have crowd journalism at your hands. So you can have a lot of content and choose which video is the most exciting, the most engaging, and for sure we will add analytics to that as well, so that not the one that you like the most is the most engaging, but the one that the viewers like the most. So this is going to be very nice.
Like viewers.
Yeah, exactly.
There's a boat coming along, so I think it's good to show you the Amsterdam flair. So I think it's good for today. Oh.
Yes.
We are good for today, and all the exciting news. And if you, as our customer, like to get the demo, we are available at any time. And just pin us or reach out at the website. This is already online. And for sure, all the X-Dream Group members are happy to help you with further information. ShareStoryz with the YZ at the end.com. And exactly. I will also link it in my posts, so you can directly reach the website. And we are good for today. Thank you for your time. And we talk soon about the next development steps. Have a great day.
Have a good time there.